Greenhouse tour. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. So today I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour of the greenhouse and show you how things are going. Then maybe in a couple of days I'll show you the garden. I'll give you a quick tour of the garden, but today I'm just gonna give you guys a quick tour of the greenhouse, what's going on in the greenhouse. So on this on the right side over here, we have a couple of containers, say 10-12 containers. We're growing sweet bitter leaf on this side, and on this side we're growing water leaf. We have water leaf here. This one here you have herbs. Over here you have garden egg that I'm growing in this 5-gallon container, and that's what we're growing out here for now. Let's go inside and show you what's going on inside. Like I said, things are doing much better inside compared to the outside, because the temperature in this greenhouse is nice and warm, even when the temperature outside is not really that good. So we already harvested some of the vegetables already. We already did some harvesting. Here we have just like this one over here, and these other ones, these are all sweet bitter leaf right here, and this is the regular bitter leaf, which is a sweet variety. So we have the sweet bitter leaf over here, and then we have the sweet bitter leaf, which is, we call it bekang, right here. So these ones, we're just growing them in containers, and they're doing well, and so we're able to get some good quality containers and stuff. So so we're growing those in other containers. So we still have some few seedlings here that we have to transplant outside. Like I said, the weather outside haven't really been great this year. We have temperatures ranging from like 50 degrees in the summer right now, 50 degrees to like 70 degrees. So it's not really good for plants. Plants don't do very well when the temperatures are ranging like that. But we still have, this is water leaf right here that we need to transplant. This is also water leaf. Here we have sweet bitter leaf that we still have to transplant. So we still have quite a few things that we're gonna transplant. We just want them to be a little bit bigger, so that's much easier to transplant, and it can just pick up much faster. So down here I have bitter leaf. We harvested that already. We still have a few of them in there that we're just gonna take out a few from these, and the rest are gonna grow in there. So we're gonna transplant some of those. And then this is my garden egg. This one is ready to be transplanted, so we're just gonna transplant that pretty soon. So over here we have the same thing. We have some of the sweet bitter leaf that has been harvested. We have water leaf right here that's ready to be harvested, and then we have sweet bitter leaf. So like I said, they're all doing well. They're all doing great. Growing in containers, it's the favorite way of growing things. I like growing in containers because you see the results, and it does much better. I make my own potting mix. I have a video that shows you how you can make your own potting mix, good quality stuff. I'll see if I can put the link to that in the description below. I also have some other videos in terms of fertilization and various things that you can do to homemade fertilizers, and other things that you can do in your garden, or growing, if you're growing in containers or you're growing in. So check those videos out. I'll put a link to some of them and some of the playlists down below in the description. So down here we have, this is another water leaf that's ready. Look at the leaves of the water leaf, really big, really huge. They're doing well. So I have water leaf down there. I have sweet bitter leaf also, and water leaf. So what I'm growing in the greenhouse is mostly stuff that I cannot find in stores, like the water leaf, the sweet bitter leaf, the really sweet bitter leaf that we grow here. And up here I'm growing peppers, and these are the those are some of the hottest peppers in the world. I have the Carolina, I have ghost pepper, I have habanero. These are all we eat a lot of spicy stuff. So these are the hottest peppers that you can, some of the hottest peppers that you can find. So those are the ones that I'm growing in the greenhouse. And the peppers like these these ones, they love the hot temperature in the greenhouse, and they do very well in the greenhouse. So as you can see, all of them are producing flowers, and they're gonna start producing pepper very soon. And this one, let me just show you. This one is hot pepper, Carolina Reaper. That's the pepper. And this one is habanero right here. And I have ghost pepper in the back right over there. So these are, you can grow them in small containers like this. You just have to make sure that the nutrients in there is very rich. You want nutrient dense containers. Like if you are growing them in small containers, if you're using bigger containers, then it's a little bit more at least suitable for you to use a little bit less quality potting mix to do that. But you can see, let me just take this one out. You can see this right here. Look at it. Look at that. So they are doing well. So we're gonna get a lot of peppers this year, and so that's one other thing that we are growing in the greenhouse, because that's not something that you can easily find. Those peppers, you can easily find them at your local supermarket, because not all of them carry very hot peppers like that. So over here we have more sweet bitter leaf and water leaf. Right here we have Ancilla. This is another vegetable that it's a tropical vegetable that we get, we grow, and we can't find it in the market, so we try to grow it ourselves. And this one, I had it last year, and I took it indoors into the in the basement, and I was able to continue growing this. And this one's over here, and then in the spring I just brought them back out, so to be able to get seedlings and to be able to get more of the vegetables, because we don't have those seeds around. So that's what I did with this. So check out some of those videos growing indoors in the winter. I have a couple of those videos, so you can check those videos out. So over here we have more sweet bitter leaf. We harvested these already. As you can see, we harvested most of them already. Some of them are new that are still producing, and we're gonna be able to harvest those soon. Over here we have more water leaf that's ready to be harvested. We have sweet bitter leaf that's gonna be ready very soon. Down here, same thing. We have quite a few different things they are doing really well. You can look at the leaves. This is water leaf. It's used to cook arrow. So if you know about arrow, that's what you use it to cook arrow, and it's delicious. So that's what we have here. So over here we have lemon. This is our lemongrass. Some people where we come from, we call it fever grass, and this is same thing from last year, and been trying to save it because it's not something that you can easily find at your local store. So we're able to cut it. We harvested some already, and we're still gonna harvest more. We just cut it and then use it to make the lemon tea and drink it. I know people have other ways or other things that they do with it, but that's the main one that we do. So over here I have a few containers of sweet bitter leaf from last year. These ones I saved them to be able to get some seeds from them. As you can see, this one is a seed coming out right there. That's a seed. We're gonna be able should be able to give me at least 20-30 seeds, this small bundle right there. So I'm using them to be able to get some seeds for next growing season. So that's what I'm doing right now with those. So that is it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. That helps the channel out. Also, it makes it available for other people to be able to watch the videos. So like the videos, and don't forget to share. If you like the video, somebody else might like the video. Please share the video, so that way it helps the channel, and also gives us some encouragement to continue doing what we do. Thank you so much, and happy growing.